Now student, this is the lecture on the bare bones of a Python program. That means the various components which a Python program can have. So in this diagram you can see that the Python program can have how many parts? Can have total 5 parts. The first one is the expression, second is the comments, then block and indentation. This is the block and indentation, and after that statements, and then the functions. These are the components which a Python program can have. Now we will discuss them one by one. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the expression. Now you can see that these all are the expressions. These all are the expression. Now what are expression? An expression is any legal combination of symbols that represent a value. So in all these statements you can see that the combination of symbol, that means the A and 10, these are considered as symbol and they are combined by using a operator minus over here. Similarly here also the A and 3 are the symbols and added are combined by using plus. So all these statements which are having a valid combination of symbols here we are saying for the operand and the literals. Okay, then they all are the expression. Now the second one is the comments. Then we are coming to the comments. Now look at the all the lines which are starting with the hash. Now this is the line which is starting with hash, this is the line which is starting with hash, this one, and in the last this one. So all these lines are called the comments. Okay, now the comments are the statement which are not executable, or we can say the non-readable statement in a program. So they are non-readable for whom? They are non-readable for the compiler. Okay, the comments are the additional readable information to clarify the source code only. And in Python, the comments begin with the symbol hash and generally ended with and of the physical line. Okay, that means every time when you are making a comment, first what you have to use the hash line. But the hash is only valid for a single line comment. If you want to make multiple line comment, then you have to use another method. Or if you want to make multiple line comment, then in the beginning of the each line you have to use the hash symbol. Like you can see in this we are using the hash. Here we are using hash, because this hash is telling to the compiler that this should be a non-executable statement. That means no need to execute it during the execution of a program. Then after this we are having statements. Now you can see that these all are the statements also. Even this is a statement, this is a statement, and this is a statement. These all are statements. So what are statement? In the programming language, the statement is a instruction that does something, okay, or some action takes place due to which. All these things are called the statement. Like here in the first one, this is a statement. Why? Because it is printing the data. So what action it is doing? Printing the data. Similarly, this is a statement. Why? This is also a statement, but I am discussing this one. Why this is a statement? Because it is first doing the subtraction 15 minus 10, and then it is placing a value in B. Okay. Similarly, all the things which are doing something or due to which some action take place are called the statements. Now after this we will discuss about the function. In the 11th class you are not having function in the detail, but even then all the things which start with the keyword def and ends with this, as you can see here, are the functions. Okay, this is also one of the component, but in the 12th class you will discuss it, we will discuss it in detail, that what is function, how you can make it. And then after one, the last one is the block and indentation. So what is a block? A group of statements which are part of another statement or a function are called block. Okay, like for the function, this is a block. The shaded area is showing a block. Now in this one, this is a block. These all are single block. Okay, so there are so many blocks in this code. The group of statement which are part of another statement, like you can see this statement is a part of this statement. Okay, now similarly this statement is a part of this statement, and this statement is a part of this statement. Okay, that is what the definition say. A group of statement which are part of another statement is called a block. Now see the indentation. Any statement which is a part of any other statement, to become the part of that statement, it must follow the indentation. Like you can see in all these one here, the statement print is in the having its own indentation. It is not coming in the same line in which we have defined the function. It is a little bit in the side. Similarly for if, this is a statement, but you can see that this statement is indented here, not with the if. That means a little bit in the side. Similarly for the else one also, you can see that it is a little bit side. Okay, which shows the indentation of these statement. These indentation tell to the compiler that this particular statement belonging to the upper statement. That means this print is belonging to this. If this is satisfied, then you have to print this one. If this is satisfied, you have to do this one. If we will not put it in the indentation, then the compiler would raise an error. So these all are the components which we have to write in a program to execute successfully. Not always all, but some should be there, like statement always a part of a program, because without statement no action could take place. And if you are doing anything numerical, then it would definitely have the expression, because without expression you cannot make a mathematical program. Okay, similarly you sometimes we will have the comment. If you want to make your program readable, then you have to make a comment. If you don't want, then no need of the comments. Similarly blocks and indentation, it depends how the program is. Like in this case you can see that if we are having only these three statements, then they all will be in the same indentation, no need to change any indentation. So it depends upon the program how you are writing. But in total, the maximum number of components which a Python program can have is 5. That is the comment, statement, function, and the expression, block and indentation. Okay.